Gaming can be so much easier with just a few gadgets and accessories. It can change up your whole experience, but we know that it can be expensive sometimes. So we made a list of few cheaper accessories to bring your gaming experience to the next level. Let you enhance your gaming setup while on a budget, and you can buy those gadgets from Amazon. But before starting our video, please subscribe to our channel Gadget Central and press the bell icon so you will get notification of our upcoming videos. Now let's check it out. Razer Ornata Chroma. The first thing you might need to perfect your game setup is keyboard. Well, maybe a mechanical keyboard. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, this one will fit perfectly in your budget. It will give you all the high performance that those expensive ones will. The Razer Ornata Chroma will give you complete accuracy with its mid-height keycaps. It's made especially to reduce the time it takes for your action to register, so it will become quite handy when you try to click as many S buttons you can. Have you ever seen a keyboard that reacts on your game? Well, this one can, thanks to interactive in-game light effects. Also, it comes with removable wrist rest that will make sure you are comfortable no matter how frustrating game is. We think that might make you put this keyboard into your wish list. SteelSeries Arctis 9X. Investing in a good headphone doesn't have to cost you a lot of money. Today there are a bunch of companies to make them extremely good, but for a lower price, the SteelSeries Arctis 9X might not be cheapest one out there, but for all they offer, the price point is more than perfect. This wireless headphone will become your new favorite accessories. You will take them everywhere you go. Whether you play your game or you decide to connect them to your phone and listen to music, they will not disappoint you. They will give you most perfect clear sound. It comes with a noise cancelling microphone, so whenever you use it, the other person will be able to hear your voice loud and clear. Next time you are looking for a headset, we suggest you to check this out. Logitech G502 Lightspeed. If you want to level up and upgrade your old wired mouse for a new, better and faster wireless version, then we believe we might find the one you need. You will say goodbye to the annoying wires and say hello to Logitech G502 Lightspeed mouse. It will improve your speed and accuracy with an improved stylus sensor, and it will give you high quality performance. Now, mouse is one of the main things you need for having a perfect game. It's important to find the better one that won't let you down during the game. Well, we can trust this one. It is especially made for gaming and for enhancing your overall game experience. If that wasn't enough, it also features RGB lighting, which is fully customizable, so you can choose whichever color you want from the range of 16.8 million colors. Let it create an amazing ambient in your room. Elgato Stream Deck. If you are new in the world of streaming and broadcasting, but you want to start doing content, this little device will make things easier for you. When you start streaming, you obviously need a microphone and camera so people can see you and hear you. But do you actually need this Stream Deck? The answer is yes. Why? The USB keypad has LCD lights that allow you to upload custom icons for different functions. The main thing this device does is being your stream controller. This will make things easier for you in every possible way. Being extremely customizable, this thing will suit your needs and help you achieve them as fast as possible. So if you think you are missing something, it's possible this little device. Don't worry, it might look light and luxurious, but this thing will be right in your budget. SteelSeries RGB Mousepad. If you have a great quality expensive mouse, you might want to get a really great mousepad as well. Without spending a lot of money, this mousepad will give you everything you are looking for in it. It comes with a dual surface texture that will let you choose between a premium hard polymer or a micro textured cloth surface. It comes with LEDs around the outside of the mousepad. It allows you to customize the light whichever way you like and light up your room. Even more, it will offer you stability and it will not slip while you are playing your game. It gives you full control over mouse. It will enhance your accuracy in the game. All there is left to do is pick up which size you want of the mouse pad and you are ready to start your game. Well, that is it for today, guys. If you want to know more about these gadgets, then please check out the link below or visit to our website gadgetcenter.com. I will bring you more interesting gadgets in our next video. Till then, bye bye.